our ski lovers. What a weekend. I was just messaging with some friends also at Stowe today, which I guess opened up.
I had some friends at Stowe today too.
Yeah, must have been very busy. What a day for it.
Yeah, you know, a lot of the big places in Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine where they kind of battle as to who can open first.
It must be a game every year, yeah.
Kind of an even playing field this year between all those places because it's been so cold. I bet this weekend some people are thinking of putting up some holiday decorations, lights, whatnot. It'll be dry, but probably need gloves.
Okay, not warm.
More of the same, yeah. High temperatures today, a little bit closer to average. How about that? Despite the cloud cover, we had a southwest wind, so we popped to the average high for this date, 46. Now remember, that number is going down. When we started this week, it was closer to 50. 44 the high today in Bangor and 31 in Greenville. A lot of cloud cover out there right now and just a few snow showers, and they're mostly up over the Crown of Maine. A lot of this action now moving into New Brunswick, but a few wet flakes up there. Even in the county, we're not below freezing right now. It's 33 in Caribou, 42 in Bangor, and we're at 40 degrees in Portland right now. Through the evening, it remains quiet. Not much wind out there. We'll drop into the upper 20s in central Maine by tomorrow morning, low 30s in most of southern Maine. Tomorrow morning we will start out with some cloud cover, likely some breaks of sun, but partly to mostly cloudy tomorrow morning. And the trend will be to clear the clouds out through the middle of the day. So it turns sunny in southern and coastal Maine. In the mountains there will be some fair weather clouds that pop up and maybe a flurry to the far north, but most of us are dry through the day tomorrow. Big day tomorrow, high school football championships. Fitzpatrick and Portland hosting Class A and Class B. Temperatures will be in the middle 40s, and in Lewiston we have Class C and Class D, and it'll be mostly sunny there by afternoon. Tomorrow night the weather remains quiet. It's going to be a little bit colder tomorrow night. I think we'll start Sunday morning with a clear sky and temps in the 20s. On Sunday though, clouds will come in during the day, so the most sun will be during the early part of the morning. By midday and afternoon these clouds are streaming in and thickening up, and there may be a few flurries that make it into the mountains late in the day. Very weak system primarily to our west, and that's where most of the moisture will be, but some of those flurries make it out of the mountains and down toward the coast overnight Sunday night into early Monday morning, but it doesn't look like more than that. During the day on Monday, it's partly sunny, temperatures in the lower 40s. Tuesday looks dry during the daylight hours, but this warm front comes in Tuesday evening and Tuesday night. Right now, it looks like the temperature should be above freezing. So most of this will likely be in the form of rain. Can't rule out a little bit of patchy freezing rain in some of the coldest valleys, but at this point it doesn't look heavy and it doesn't look like a big problem. There's a chance for a few showers on Wednesday, but a lot of the day may end up just being cloudy. And at this point we think a cold front comes through in time for Thanksgiving, which means we clear out, but it gets windy for Thanksgiving Day. Here's the marine forecast for tomorrow. Seas 2 to 4 feet with a northwest wind, 10 to 15 knots. Skies clear tomorrow, and then they cloud up on Sunday. A few flurries overnight Sunday night into Monday morning. We'll watch Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. It doesn't look particularly heavy, and we think the temperature should be above freezing, so most of that would be in the form of rain showers. And after Thanksgiving, it looks like we get a shot of some colder air. So Black Friday, if you're making your plans, I know we're a ways out, it might only be in the 30s with a gusty wind.
Bundle up.
Start planning, Ryan. Thank you.
You're welcome.